Hello, Seasonal Vantage Insiders, Alex here. Today's date, it is the 13th of May 2024, a Monday afternoon at about 12:50 p.m. as I'm doing this video. Just another quick reminder over here. Okay, I've been saying that I think for the past 1 or 2 weeks already. I will be away. Okay, I'll be away from my desk from 15th to 24th of May. So in fact, tomorrow midnight I will be flying already lah. So actually it's 15 but tomorrow midnight I'll be heading to the airport and fly already. So I won't be away. I will be away. So I won't be doing the usual video update and also won't be doing the public Facebook Live on the 20th of May. So do take note of that. Okay. I see if I have the time to provide you some text update, video update. I don't think I can do that. Okay. All right. So let's head over to today's video update first. So first of all, the calendar. So do take note that for this coming week, the main driver, it is on Tuesday and Wednesday. So tomorrow at 8:30 p.m. Singapore time, okay, the core PPI data will be out. Then I don't know what Jerome Powell is going to speak, okay. So at 10 p.m., Powell is going to speak, okay. And then on Wednesday, there's this CPI data, okay. This is the usual CPI data. Then the retail sales is going to come out also. And then on Thursday, then this unemployment claim also. So most likely, okay, the market, okay, will start to move, okay, from Tuesday onwards, and most likely tonight might be okay, I mean that the small movement, okay, I guess so, okay. And then also to let you know, so this coming Friday, it is the options expiry, okay. So today is 13, right? So this coming Friday, 17th of May, okay, it is the standard options expiry date, okay. So I believe, okay, the market, okay, might grind higher into the OPEX week until this Friday. So let's see how the market will go. Okay, so first thing first, right? So let's head over to the S&P cash index first. Okay, cash index. This is the SPX cash index. Okay, the zero gamma flip. Okay, right. The zero gamma, it is actually at about 5165. Okay, from between positive to negative gamma. So when it is net positive, okay, the market, okay, it is actually less volatile, okay, based on the options dealer hedging position in the options market, okay. All right, so right now we are above 5165. Okay, so if price, okay, this coming week do go below 5165, okay, of course this number is not static lah, okay, it will change as it goes, but as of now it is 5165. So if the market can go below 5165, okay, then it's not so good for the market. There could be more downside to go lah, okay. And also the key gamma level, 5002 level, has been broken up already. So let's see whether this 5002 level can hold or not. Okay, so it was the previous so-called the resistance level. So all in all, okay, 5002, 5165 is a key level that you might want to watch out for. And of course, our usual, okay, support area at the CPR level, okay, it is quite far away, but nevertheless, okay, this will be acting as a very strong support at about 5084, okay, on the cash index. Okay, so as of now, the futures market, okay, all right, we are still above the CPR and such, okay, so slightly positive, okay. All right, so this is the key level for the S&P 500. And let's head back to the members area. Okay, what did I mention over here? Okay, so this is the members area over here. So end of the week update, I mentioned into DICS or sporting goods, right? Okay, I will talk about the oil and treasury bonds and such, right? So on last Friday, okay. So for DKS, DICS sporting goods, okay, I am still holding, okay. Yeah, I can see that on Friday, while the market generally is higher, it's starting to go down lower again. So I believe that there's a good chance that price could test there. So, but again, okay, I might close the position before I fly. So I will see how the market will move tonight. So let's say okay, if Dick's Sporting Goods, okay, stay somewhere around like it is right now, okay, then my reward to risk ratio, okay, will be my profit will be about 1 hour thereabout. So if price can go down a bit lower, then will be much better. Okay, so but nevertheless, this is going to be a profitable position for me. So and I also added that I have some longs in the USO, but Friday is not a good not a so good price action. Price in fact down on the minus 1.6%. So, but again, this led to another potential wash and rinse setup. Can you see that for the USO, this is the ETF. Can you see last Friday price closed lower than the previous day low. So the previous day low, it is 75.88. Okay, 75.88. Okay, so this is the wash line here. So, this coming week, okay, if price can hit above 75.88, that might bode some, positivity into this USO, the oil. Okay, this is a proxy for the oil. All right, so this is for oil, and this position is still a little bit underwater. So I also have a position in bonds, as I mentioned, right? So right now we are hovering at the central pivot range there. It's going sideways. So I executed the trade via options. So I sell put vertical options to express my bullishness. Okay. So again, this is not sure recommendation. I mean, that if most people don't trade futures, but okay. But anyway, if you want to trade bonds, okay, as I mentioned, it tends to be going higher this coming this period onwards. Okay, so for bonds, you can use a TLT as a proxy also. Okay, so this is some ideas for you to take away. Okay, so this is what I mentioned last week. Okay, so overall, so for this coming week, right, my bias, it is still heading more towards the upside. Okay, the upside. But okay, the market has been going up already. So I mean that nobody knows what the market will do. Okay, so be a little bit careful. Okay, I mean that can grind higher, but this is my bias lah. But I think that not the best time to be aggressively long because market has been going higher up already for the past 1 week plus or so already. Okay, if you really want to long, okay, try to again use the seasonal data that are provided, okay, and also to have the highest probability lah. Okay, all right, so let's go through the RRG chart over here. Okay, so let's head over to the daily time frame. So you can see that the technology, okay, based on the daily time frame, it is improving also. All right, discretionary, it is also improving, leading, okay, and such, okay. And something is of concern recently, okay, is the XLU, and also the XLP consumer staple. It has been pretty strong, okay, for the past 1 or 2 weeks. So whether this is going to be a leading indicator, that is something to be seen, because usually, okay, when the market it is really, really bullish, okay, it is not the utilities or the staples that is hogging the outperformance. Okay, typically it's the technology lah, or that kind of thing. Okay, tech to lead the headline. But if you take a look at the chart, XLU, okay, has been so strong, so strong utilities. Okay, so it's a bit of concern. Okay, but as of now, no signs of crack yet. So as I mentioned, right, SPX, the zero gamma level is about 5165. Unless price can break below the zero gamma level, then that'll be a little bit of a concern. But if you want to prepare yourself, then like XLP consumer staple, usually not the defensive sector is not the one that's leading, but recently it has been leading. So a bit of a concern for me. So do take note of that. Okay, so this is XLP. So and But you can see that technology, it is also actually improving, okay, slowly improving, okay. And then if you drill down to the 60-minute, okay, the hourly time frame, so that we can see that the last Thursday or Friday, how's the movement like. You can see that technology, once again, is improving. You can see that healthcare, finance sector, it is also not too bad. That's leading the S&P 500 right now. Okay, so this is the one that I will be looking at. Okay, and let's head back to the data right now. So this is the data. You can see that for May, towards the end of May, right? Okay, towards the end of May. So this is 20. Okay, so for this coming week, okay, it is actually from 12 to 19. Okay, so you can filter out from 12 to 19. So it's 13, 14, 17, and 20th. 12 to, sorry, not 20th. So it's 12 to 19. So I'm going to exclude. So I'm going to exclude 20th. Okay, 12 to 19, 13, 14, 17. Okay, so there's still quite a number of ETF. Can you see that? Okay, from what we see from the RRG chart, like this on the hourly time frame, you can see that XLF financial is leading, right? So you can see that financial is starting to move higher. So based on the data from the ETF for the finance sector XLF, 12th of May to 10th of June, for the past 11 years, 10 years, it has been moving higher during this favorable period. And then if you drill down some more, you can see that health, okay, typically, second half of May tend to be better for the stock market, okay. And then you can see the 13th May, then to 3rd of July for healthcare. And then you can see that semicon, no change. Semicon is this PSI. Semicon, you can see also from the semicon XBI, not XBI. Semicon is the other of the sectors, it is not here. Yeah, semicon XSD, okay, XSD and such. So even though XBI is no, even though the other one was the semicon ETF for the suddenly forget the ETF name. And anyway, you can see that the semicon ETF has been coming up already. So you know that the semicon stocks is still strong, right? So as I mentioned, I forgot to mention, right? So Nvidia, it is also one of the semicon stocks. So last week I mentioned about the semicon stock. So this week continue, okay, semicon. So one of the trade ideas is also from semicon later. So I'm still holding on to this Nvidia. If you forget, what I mentioned last week, head over to last Monday video. I also talk about the semicon stock. So this week continue, okay? Seems like semicon stocks, ETF sectors is still trying to lead the market also based on the favorable seasonal data over there. All right, and also want to take note, it is this biotech, okay? Biotech over there, and biotech, and then IBB biotech, okay? Biotech, XBI, and biotech. So typically you can see that biotech, it is also coming to this favorable period from 14 May to 21st of June, okay? And then for IBB, another popular one, 14 May to 21st of June, they're about the same for the past 10 years, okay? 9 years, this favorable period, okay, is good for the biotech sector industry ETF. So XBI, can take a look at SBI. So for XBI, okay, it is actually not the best recently. You can see that after some good upward movement, okay, price has been coming down, okay, a sharp sell off, and then again, this is based on the if I'm not mistaken, I checked some of the gamma level as well. So this is the so-called gamma flip also from positive to negative gamma for the biotech ETF. So you can see that right now we are somewhere around at this level. Okay, the market, it is above the CPR level, trying to stay above the CPR. If price can stay above the CPR level, then that will be good. Okay, so can you see that for the biotech? Okay, biotech. I will just remove this. Can you see that there is also a potential wash and rinse trigger also for the biotech ETF? Okay, biotech ETF. So on Friday, price closed lower than the prior day low. So the prior day low is 88.28. 88.28 over there. Okay, so let's see whether there is a potential trigger over there. So this coming week where price can go higher. So let's see whether this is for the XBI. So this is the XBI. You can see that once again, you can see that healthcare, telecoms, again, like the banks, bank ETF. So you can see that financial sector, health sector, okay, biotech, semicon are not too bad from a overall broad view perspective. So at least you know if you want to really look into some of these stocks, you can look at the financial stocks, healthcare stocks, semicon stocks, okay, biotech stocks. All right, so this is for the bullish ETF. And then for the bullish stocks, I also actually filtered already. Okay, so for this coming week is, as I mentioned, is 12 to 19, right? 12 to 19. 12 to 19, 13, 14, 17. Okay, so there's also many stocks, okay, many stocks over there, many stocks. Okay, so as I mentioned, right, so prior to that, I was actually using, where is it, the market in out. Let me go to market in out. So this is my stock screener that I am using. I put all the stock for this coming week into the watch list over there. So 12 to 19 May bull, it is actually over here lah. Okay, so this is the overview. All right, so you know I can sort it according to the market cap and such lah. Okay, so again, you know, if you do not have market in out, okay, one way is to export this list, okay, into Yahoo Finance. Okay, Yahoo Finance. So you sort according to that, then go through the biggest market cap. So you can see that based on this week, 12 to 19 May, okay, Mastercard, it is the biggest cap. So start from the biggest cap. Okay, market cap biggest and all the way go through. Look through. Okay, you know, it's pretty easy for you to look through some of these stocks lah. Okay, right, just head into TradingView, you know, look through the stock. Okay, yourself. All right. But another alternative, okay, I think I will make things easier for you. Okay. Okay, I myself also just export the stocks lah. Okay, I'll give you the ETF list. Okay, ETF list over there. ETF list over there. Okay, so this is the current week. Okay, I've already sorted according to the market cap. Okay, say MA, ASML, ADBE, and all these are. So it is exactly the same as this market now. So you know, if you want to focus, right, you don't want to focus. All right, so just focus on the bigger stock. You know, top 50 stocks, I think it is good enough. If you want to look through more stocks, you can. Of course, at the bottom, you know, those very small cap one, you know, maybe under 1 billion, you know, maybe you can just ignore these small cap stocks. Okay, ignore all these lah. Okay, try to look for those above the 1 billion one. But again, that's for stocks market cap. For ETF, that's another story. Okay, you can look through the ETF. You know, ETF is, you know, don't have to be sorted according to market cap. Okay, because we just want to know what is the overall broad market is doing based on the ETF itself. Okay, so you should see the this Excel sheet, okay, at the bottom of this post. So I'll let you download, and I also, okay, give you the performance. Okay, give you the performance. All right, so again, based on this coming week, 12 to 19 May, all right, it can be sorted according to the 1 week, 4 week, 13 week, 26 week, 52 weeks change. By default, I already sorted according to the 4 week change, meaning the best performing stock, okay, for the past 1 month, okay, based on this week watch list from 12 to 19. So of course, you can see the first one, it is this form factor, okay, all right, for the past 4 weeks, okay, it is up 23%, okay, select medical group and all this. So at one glance, you know that a form factor is very strong, okay. So take a look at form, okay. All right, so you can see that it has been going up lah. All right, so again, whether there's any trigger, you still need to keep a watch list yourself. Go look through some of these stocks. So basically, I give you certain things that you can watch out for. Okay, you can sort according to market cap. Okay, focus on the biggest cap stock first, or you can focus on some of the best performance. Again, if you want to filter, you can filter out, based on 1 week, 4 week, 13 week, 26 week. So this is the list. So you see whether it's helpful or not. Again, all right, I just want to get some feedback. If you think this is useful to you, I do the work for you instead of going to Yahoo Finance. Okay, I might as well just give you export the data for you. Okay, so if you find useful, okay, just type comment yes in the comments. Okay, get some feedback from you guys. If you find it useful, just say, hey, Alex, this is useful, I like it, whatever, so that I know, okay, this is useful for you lah. Okay, if there's like no answer, no comments, then I realize, hey, actually maybe you guys don't feel this is useful lah. Okay, so let me know. This members area, okay, all of you are the members, so if there won't be any spam or scam out here, so it's very safe for you to comment in the members area. Okay, all right. Of course, I will also provide you some of the trade ideas also. So for this coming week, right, I'm actually looking at MU. This is from Micron Technology. So again, Micron, it is semicon, right? Okay, sort of semicon. Is it semicon? Yeah, semicon. Okay, has been going up pretty nicely. So on Friday, there is also a wash and rinse trigger. So you can see that this is the wash bar, and the wash line, it is the low, it is actually 118.22. 118.22. Okay, so from Friday, there's a wash and rinse trigger. So let's see, this coming week, price can go higher or not. So this is for the Micron Technology. Another one that I think another three more that I'm looking at. Okay, another three more. Another one is looking at ADBE, ADBE Adobe. Recently has been coming down, okay, but you can see from the data, ADBE, right? Adobe, 14th of May to 10 July, okay, 91% of time it is up. So Adobe over there. So once again, okay, the wash now, it is over here, okay, where price closed lower than the prior day low. So the wash line is on Wednesday. The low, it is actually 486.92. 486.92. This is for Adobe. So let's see whether this coming week price can go higher for Adobe. You can see the price also trying to stay above the CPR. Okay, another one that I'm looking at, banks, is one of the bank stock, I think it's COF, Capital One Corporation. So it is a bit, ping-ponging right now. Okay, but overall it's in a nice uptrend. So for COF, Capital One, 13 May to 7 June. Okay, 13 May to 7 June. So you can see that potentially, not potentially, there is a wash and rinse on a Friday. So no, yeah, there's a wash and rinse on Friday. So this is the low here where price closed lower than prior day low. So the low here, it is actually 142.23. 142.23. Okay, so let's see whether Capital One, okay, can go higher in the coming week also. And the last one that I'm looking at is a smaller cap stock, PTCT. Okay, this is PTC Therapeutic. Okay, PTCT. So what is the market cap for this? Market cap for this is 2.47. It's a smaller stock over there. So this is a biotech, not biotech, health technology. Okay, so you can see that after that there was a kind of a sharp impulse move up and then hit the CPR level. And then, on Friday, there is also a wash and rinse trigger. Okay, seems supported at the upper range of the CPR. So the wash and rinse here, it is here, the line is here, it is 31.70. 31.70. 31.70 over here. Okay, so this is PTCT, a healthcare stock. So let's see whether price can continue to head higher into this coming week or so. Okay, these are the few that I in my watch list and got some trigger one. Okay, so I've not decided whether I want to enter when I'm away to hold on to this position. I will see how it goes, but these are the few that I'm in my watch list right now. So again, reminder, this week, okay, I'm next week I'm not around. But again, for next week, no change. Next week, this is how you do also. Next week is from 19 to 26th of May. So once again, from the chart, right, okay, you screen 19 to 26, okay, again, walk through the same thing, see what is happening in the market, what is bullish sector, what is bullish industry, okay, what is the bullish stocks. Okay, I will also provide you the market cap and also performance, okay, at the end of this post. Okay, so I'll give you the this week and next week also, because next week I'm not around. Okay, so of course next week, okay, the price will change okay, because of the performance for this week. Okay, so but nevertheless, it still serve as a pretty good guideline for you. Okay, so I'll give you this week and next week. All right, so once again, if you find that this is useful data for the market cap and the performance data, let me know in the comments. So once again, see you again when I'm back from my vacation. So yeah, we'll catch up again. Okay, thanks and bye bye.